All right, welcome back to the top 3 most effective strategies to build passive income in 2024. And today I want to share with you strategy number 3, which is setting up an automated sales process. So if you want to know how to earn money while you sleep, it's all about setting up an automated sales process. This is the absolute key to building an online business that actually works for you 24/7. So you don't have to be tied to your desk. And here's how it works. So once you have an e-product that I shared and you create a system that builds relationships, establishes trusts, and sells your product all automatically. So imagine waking up to see your income growing while you were spending time with your family or just catching some well-deserved rest, right? Automation is a powerful tool. It lets you scale your impact and income without burning out. So if you're ready to reclaim your time and energy while building a successful online business, setting up an automated sales process is the way to go. Let's get you started making your dreams a reality. I'm Carolyn, a mindful mama and business coach. And comment ready if you're ready to know how to set up an automated sales process.